Hi, is this seat taken?
No, please sit down. I am Priya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I am Alex. Is this your first day too?
Yes, I am a little nervous, to be honest.
Me too. But I think it is good to be nervous. It means we really want to learn.
Huh, that is a nice way to think about it. Where are you from, Alex?
I am from Brazil, from São Paulo. It is a very big city. And you?
I am from India, from a city called Pune. It is in the west of India.
Oh, I know India. I always wanted to visit. It looks so beautiful.
It is. You should come one day. How long have you been here?
Almost 1 year. I came here to study, but now I work here too. And you?
Only 3 months. I moved here for work. Everything is still very new for me.
I understand. The first months are hard. But it gets better, I promise.
That is good to hear. What do you do for work?
I work in a coffee shop. It is not my dream job, but I like it. The people are very nice. What about you?
I work in an office. I do a lot of writing and emails. My English is okay for writing, but speaking is hard for me.
Same for me. When I speak, I forget words. It is very frustrating.
Yes, exactly. That is why I am here. Do you have family here?
No, just me. My family is in Brazil. My mom, my dad, and my younger sister. I miss them a lot.
I understand. I miss my family too. I call my mom every single day.
Every day. That is really sweet. I call my family maybe 3 times a week. My sister sends me many photos.
That is so nice. Do you have any pets at home in Brazil?
Yes, we have a dog. His name is Bolinha. I miss him so much. Do you have pets?
We have 2 cats. They are very lazy. They sleep all day long.
Ha, that sounds like a wonderful life. What do you like to do in your free time, Priya?
I love to cook. It is my favorite hobby. I make Indian food. Rice, lentils, vegetables. It makes me feel at home. What about you?
I love music. I play the guitar a little. Not very well, but I really enjoy it. And I love to watch football. Brazilian football.
Football. My brother loves football too. He watches every game on TV.
Do you watch sports?
Not really. I prefer to read books. I read in the evening. It helps me relax after work.
That is a good habit. Do you read in English or in your own language?
Both. Right now I am reading a simple book in English. It takes a long time, but it is good practice.
That is a great idea. Maybe I should try that too. What is your neighborhood like? Where do you live?
I live near the center. My apartment is small, but I like it. There is a nice park near my building. I go there on weekends. And you?
I live about 30 minutes from here by bus. My neighborhood is very quiet. There are many families there. I like it a lot.
Do you cook at home or do you eat out?
I cook at home most days. I love Brazilian food, so I try to make it myself. Rice, beans, chicken, simple things. But sometimes I am too tired and I just order pizza.
Ha, me too. Some evenings I am just too tired to cook. What is your favorite food here? Not from home, but from this country.
I really love the pasta here. And the bread. The bread is amazing. What about you?
I love the salads here. So many different vegetables. I am slowly getting used to the food, and I really like it now.
That is great. So, why did you decide to take this English class?
I want to speak better at work. My colleagues talk very fast, and sometimes I do not understand everything. It makes me feel bad.
I understand completely. I want to speak more naturally. Right now, I feel like I translate everything in my head first. It is so slow.
Yes, me too. I hope this class helps. I am really happy I sat next to you today, Alex. It is always nice to know one person on the first day.
Me too, Priya. Maybe we can practice English together after class sometimes.
I would really like that. Yes, let us do that.
Great. I think the teacher is coming. Are you ready?
I think so. Good luck, Alex.
Good luck, Priya. We can do this. Hi.